Welcome to this lesson on month-related time expressions. In this video, we'll learn how to talk about the months before and after the current time. These are essential phrases you'll use every day when speaking English. Let's get started. Let's start with the basic structure. We have two main expressions, last month and next month. Last month refers to the month that already passed. Next month refers to the month that is coming. These are simple but very important for everyday English conversations. The pattern is very simple. You say last or next followed by the month name. For example, last month was November or next month is January. These phrases help us talk about time in a clear and easy way. Let's look at some examples of how we use last month. First example, last month I visited my family. This talks about something that happened in the past. Second example, last month was very busy at work. This describes how the previous month was. Third example, we finished the project last month. This shows a completed action from the past. Now let's see how we use next month. First example, next month I will start a new job. This talks about a plan for the future. Second example, next month is the summer festival. This describes an upcoming event. Third example, we are traveling next month. This shows an expected activity in the future. Let's compare these two expressions. Last month is used for completed events and things that already happened. You use it with past tense verbs. Next month is used for planned events and things that will happen. You use it with future tense verbs. Understanding this difference is important for using these phrases correctly. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. First mistake, don't say in last month or in next month. Simply say last month or next month. Second mistake, don't use wrong tenses. For example, don't say last month I will go. Instead, say last month I went. Always match your verb tense with whether you're talking about the past or the future. Let's review what we learned. Last month refers to the month that already passed, and next month refers to the month that is coming. Both phrases are simple and very commonly used in daily conversations. Practice using these expressions when talking about your plans, memories, and experiences. Pay attention to your verb tenses to make sure they match whether you're talking about the past or the future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.